Okay, you're walking down the hall and you have a velocity. Oh, apparently you got weird feet. You have a mass of 67 kilograms. Oh my gosh, kilograms. I keep writing meters per second. Okay, sorry. Kilograms. You have a velocity of 3 meters per second, and we're going to say that's moving forward this way. And your best friend is going to run down the hall, something you should never do, and they're going to jump on your back, okay? They originally have a mass of 50, and they're running with a velocity of 3.5 meters per second, kilograms. All right, so you guys are separate before, but if this person's going to tackle you and jump on you together, afterward you're going to be stuck together. So this is inelastic, apart, together. So we're going to use the inelastic equation, m1v1 plus m2v2. So apart equals, and now together, m1 plus m2. And you're going to have the same velocity as you go flying off together. So now it's a matter of plugging things in. Your best friend has a mass of 50 and a velocity of 3.5. Plus, you have a mass of 67 and a velocity of 3. Afterwards, you're going to be like one giant mass, so 50 plus 67, and you're going to have some new velocity. So we're going to use our calculator to solve. So 50 times 3.5 is 175, plus 67 times 3 is 201 equals, and 50 plus 67 is 117, velocity afterward. And so now we can do 175 plus 201, 376 equals 117. Afterward, you're going to have to divide by 117. And we get a new velocity. You guys are kind of flying off together, 3.2 meters per second. And that's our answer.